Well, my friends went down to Lowe's today and got some plywood, threw on the deck out there until I get around to tearing that deck out, just so we can walk across the deck, and if the gas man comes to deliver or something, nobody will get hurt walking across there. That'd be $100 and some $100 for 4 pieces of plywood. Well, while out there doing that I'll walk across there in a minute. I got to go drag the garden hose out there and water the tomato plants and the deer. And while I was out there doing, I got these beggar lice things. They're not beggar lice. I can't think what you call these darn things, but they're a seed off of a weed that sticks to anything that touches it, and that's how the seeds get moved everywhere else. And I picked them off my pants and shirt for an hour, and I just took off my socks and threw them here on the porch just to sit here and take my time picking them off. They won't wash out in the washing machine, so you got to pick them off. I know one of you people out there tell me what these things are called. Little sticky little things. It's got little sharp ends on it. You can't see it with this little GoPro. But you can literally spend hours cleaning this stuff off your clothes. Gotta clean that off before you throw it in the dirty laundry, or it'll just wind up in your washing machine. I know what these things are, I just can't think of the name of them. I'm gonna go on out and check the trail camera while I'm out there. Well, I'll be darned, I'm finally done. Got a half a bucket full of seeds off my socks. Let's go, let me go around here and show you the deck. All right, drag the hose around there. Yeah, I didn't do no great job of laying my plywood out here, but I can get across the deck now without breaking my fool neck. Got some tomatoes out here that need to be picked. It looks like it might be too ripe, I don't know. Oh yeah, let's pick some tomatoes. Now we just put them in the bucket. Get off of there, bug. It's not your tomato, it's mine. Well, I think we better give them some clean drinking water. This one seems to be full of raccoon stuff. Dang nasty raccoon sits in this water every night. I do hope the Braves win today. Today's their last chance. Not a big vlog today. I did get my board's laid out there covering up the hole. Got my camera work done. We're still in severe drought conditions here in Spalding County. Wherever you live, it might be raining, but we're way behind in the rain department. Thanks for listening, my friends.